Ya yua va.
Okay. Go ready rồi mấy thầy. Okay. Đây lục họ call đi con thằng này. Okay. Alright. Cú yon nó có ở rau nè. Giờ cái chỉ tao tao cái đặc ca hay cùng mà đặc ca nó có đó. Nếu giờ hay lục này cả thế lục ông sĩ sao. I'm going to ask you this question twice. If you still not quite understand the question, let me know. I will repeat the question. Okay? Understand? All right. Okay. Nói đó. Dạ, bên chỉ một tên họ tên của tôi này là ok, một chỗ này mình sai con gì à? Ok, một chỗ này có xã hội thì giờ vì đi trả cho cái cả đó tờ thiên lý chân chân cho bay mong có xã lý trả giờ vì lý trả cho cái cả đó tờ thiên chân chân cho bay mong. Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people? Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people?
我做咗個路喏，佢哋個路呢喏，即係幾近到，我諗佢都俾做忙，俾做學，俾咁咪都現在盡量啲嚟到嚟呢，要俾佢最啲啊，俾有老師問喏，會做多啲多強，知道你喏，要俾我嘅都最成績，俾有一零對一零以上的，佢俾把一個做嘅。cho nó là do yêu chơi nữa yêu ba tôi yêu chuyện hình ba tôi yêu thực hiện thế thì là ba yêu chị ý chơi mong vì nó cho cái cần chơi theo cần đời tôi muốn nó bị我想到
Number plow, xie xi ya.
لا شكيرة لا شكيرة لا شكيرة نلا لا شكيرة
Ok, bây giờ các bác sĩ đó. Ok. Bây giờ nó ở chỗ này. Giờ các chị ta tao thì các kia cụ em của các đồng đồ các tao này. Các bạn các share. I'm gonna ask you twice in this question. If you not quite understand, let me know. I will repeat the question again. Yeah, understand? Alright? ก็สาเหตุเดียย่อวิริจาจะเกิดเต้าเต๋อเที่ยลีจัดแจ้งจอไปมองก็สาเหตุเดียย่อวิริจาจะเกิดเต้าเต๋อเที่ยลีจัดแจ้งจอไปมอง Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people? Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people?
我就就讲了路弄，佢到底我路咪噶。Education is so important to Hmong people because we came from somewhere where we had so little. And in a new country, we have to continue to raise our youth through education so that they can make a better life than we had before. And this starts with us supporting our youth, continue to empower them to pursue their passions and be the best versions of themselves. And that is the way that we can lift our Hmong people as a whole, not just in America, but in the entire world. Thank you. Ocha.
我得了的了，要被动菜A来肉 number 2，半成人呀。
OK，ก็บัตรที่เป็นร้อยนี่ใช่ก็บัตรที่แล้วครับโอเคกูยอนโนอาโชลาโลโนตัวกันนะยังก็จิตตาโตก็หายกูมาตากาวันโนก็โดนสิ I'm going to ask you twice in this question. If you still not quite understand the question, let me know. I will repeat the question. Okay? Understand? All right. ก็สาเหตุเดียย่อวิริจาจะเกิดเต้าเทียนที่จัดแจ้งเจ้าไปมองก็สาเหตุเดียย่อวิริจาจะเกิดเต้าเทียนที่จัดแจ้งเจ้าไปมอง Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people? Why do you think education is important for the Hmong people?
我就得个了努，กู要得了努的领的呢。这给感到震惊，都被海蒙，了对比要你要一度也是黑口洞，都被蒙东居了海尼，第二个做了海尼，叫 culture and 个做了海尼个路。是答应的是，如果都被选的，都莫再给专辑，第二把路比较海蒙咁又有，第二个老咁落，咕噜就莫老师我就。